Our Father, who
Demon
art
in you.
have me a demon.
Nasa umano'y sentro ng isang
Thy
grand
kingdom
criminal
come.
enterprise, si dating Pangulong
Thy will
Rodrigo
be done
Duterte.
on
Ginamit
earth
umano ng dating
as it
Pangulo
is
ang
in
war on
heaven.
drugs upang protektahan ang mga pangunahing tauhan sa illegal drug trade
Give
at
us this
mapuksa ang
day
kompetisyon.
our daily bread.
Anya, ang napakasikit pa rito
And
ay
forgive
nauto
us
ang
our
taong bayan
trespasses,
sa plataporma ni Duterte
as we
kontra
forgive
droga.
those
Base
who
ito sa
trespass
13
against
pagdinig
us.
ukol sa umano'y koneksyon ng drug trade, Philippine Offshore Gaming Operators o
And lead
POGO
us not
at
into
extrajudicial killings na nangyari.
But deliver us from evil. For thine is the kingdom, and the power, and the glory, forever and ever. Amen.
Which one of you can prove that I am guilty of sin? He who comes from God listens to God's words.